Well, welcome back. I hope you're not going too insane in all of this. I know I'm not. But I wanted to do another very basic, simple project since somehow that's all I have time for now, even though I should have more time. That makes sense. You know, last time we did that little popsicle stick airplane. Actually, I can grab it for you. It's right here. That was something super fun. Actually flew pretty well. It usually doesn't. But I was thinking with something I can really easily make, and I have some magnets left over from when I was making those little boxes. You can find that video over here. So, before we hop into this project, I would really love it if you could go ahead and subscribe, and then it'd be really awesome if you go ahead and hit the like button down there as well. You know, all that standard YouTuber stuff. All right, let's get on with the video, huh? I would also really love it if you checked out the Geek Out Hobbies Discord server. We've got channels where we can talk about projects, tools, and new things we're working on. The link is in the description as always, and I really hope to see you there. Of course, we got our magnets here, and we've got our wood, and we've got to figure out around about the dimensions that we want to use. So I've got ruler here, and of course we'll need a pencil. And I think I want to start with mystery wood here. We want to figure out a good width for our fridge magnet to be, because if it's too thick, it's gonna look a little awkward, and if it's too thin, then our magnet isn't gonna have anywhere to really sit into the wood, and it'll probably crack on us. So I'm thinking maybe about 1 centimeter or 1/2 inch. I think we should go with 1/2 inch. So I'll make some marks every 1/2 inch on this little piece of wood. And those will be marks that we cut to. Just gonna copy those dimensions over onto the other pieces of wood we have. By the way, what do you think of this new little setup I got here? I moved some things around. This bench actually used to be here. My tool chest there, but kind of behind me, used to be where my workbench is. And I moved the bench that was holding all of my power tools around. And I think we're gonna have a lot of fun filming in this space because it opens up a whole lot more options for angles like this one, and it's just fun to move things around. So I gotta mark out around about where I think the center is for each of the blanks, because that's where I'll end up drilling the hole to accept the magnet. And I think I should be able to get away with just keeping it on with hot glue. Oh, what's that? You thought I had remembered to grab an extension cord when I rearranged my shop? Oh, no, I am that dumb. And yes, I know this is the wrong drill bit for this type of drill. I don't care. I'm getting this project done, whether people of the internet like it or not. They probably will say this is all types of wrong, which it probably is. But I don't have the money for any of the proper drill bits for this kind of drill. So, Forstner bit it is.